budget was $40. The total was $39.93. Groceries are expensive. Sweet potato casserole that my granddad prepared. It's great. Salmon's looking pretty good thus far. Alright, so for the deal for those past two things we did, the salmon, I just did some, I didn't have many seasonings. I put some Tony Cesaro something like that seasonings on it. Put some pepper, salt, maybe, what else I put? I didn't put too many seasonings on the salmon because I didn't have that many seasonings to put on there. But for the potatoes, I put the salmon in the oven for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Don't overcook it because it will get too dry. You can always undercook it and put it back in the oven if it's not done, or up to the temperature you want to eat at. But with the potatoes, I cut them slice, not too thin, about that good. So what we did right there, focus. Hold on, focus. Oh man. Oh, there. Alright, so what we did there, we did some salt. First we did the olive oil, salt, some more potatoes, salt, and then some seasoned salt on top to top it off. Muy bueno. Thank you all for watching. If you have not done so, please click the subscribe right here. Is it right here or right there? I'm not sure, but just subscribe, and put your post notifications bell. Click it so you can get notified when I upload every single day. And until next time, see y'all later. Oh, and keep marching, baby.